The fifth verse, very beautiful verse. You need not by heart, don't worry. But those who are in yellow, they have no option but to by heart. And you also. There is no option. For them, most of the Kathopanishad should be by heart. Oh my God, thank God I am not in yellow. So, Yasya Brahma cha Kshatram cha Ubhe Bhavatau Danaha Mrityuryasyopasecanam Kaithaved Yatra Saha Yasya Brahma cha Kshatram cha Ubhe Bhavatau Danaha Mrityuryasyopasecanam Kaithaved Yatra Saha. Very beautiful and deep verse with a good corollary is mentioned by Yamaraj. I will just give you the first, what is the meaning, then I will go word by word and tell exactly. One thing you have to keep in mind, that everything has a creation, sustenance and dissolution. Like this body is there. Body was created. Where? Mother's womb. Sustained. Sustained where? By the food. It goes back ultimately into the five elements. So body has come by five elements. It is maintained by five elements taken through food, and ultimately it goes into the five elements. Okay, so everything has, this is called creation, sustenance and dissolution. Okay. Pot is there. Pot has come from mud. It sustains in mud and it goes back into mud only. Okay. So this is called Srishti, Sthiti and Laya. Sanskrit word is Srishti, Sthiti and Laya. When you will learn more reading, more writing, you will become master of all this writing. When I will say Srishti, you will immediately write Srishti. You will immediately able to write Srishti also. And only how do I know that I have mastered? You write Drishtadumni. Drishtadumni. You can write, then you can know that I have mastered. Now, what is said here, that Atma is the cause of the world, sustained in the world, and it goes back in the world. Sorry, world comes from the self, world is sustained in the self, and world goes back into the self. This is a very heavy thing. Yes, world has come. Achha, you had heard Virat also. You had heard Hiranyagarbha also, if you remember. I had not told about Ishwar. So what was Virat, if you remember that everything gross is there. The possessor of the whole gross world is Virat. You remember? Don't remember. Possessor of the whole gross world is called Virat. And possessor of the whole subtle world is called Hiranyagarbha. Okay. Don't say HG. Hiranyagarbha. I was in Indore. One boy came. Saurabh. What was his name? Saurabh Bhalera. He said, today VCM class is there. I said, what is VCM? Vivek Chudamani. Today you had DDV class at that Digdrish Vivek. He was a science student. I don't know where is that Bhalera now. Okay, अच्छा खासा नाम है विवेक चूड़ामणि. Don't make such like that. Hiranyagarbha is the one. Like I am thinking. So I'm in thought state, and then there is a stool speech which you hear. So preceded to this speech is my thoughts. Okay, but preceding the thought is an impression. If you don't have impression of something, the thought about that cannot come. If you don't have impression of something, thought. What is the capital of Switzerland? Huh? What? Bern. Supposing you ask me that, how is the food in the capital of Switzerland? What? Food. Bern, she's saying. She has lived there actually, no? So what is the food? Indian food. I don't know anything. Thought doesn't come about the food in Bern. No, why? I have no impression. I have never gone. About which you have no impression, thought is not there. Therefore, you can't think in Sanskrit too much because impression is not there. Supposing I said, please think that I have to eat food today in Sanskrit. Well, I will not eat food, but I won't think. Please think in Sanskrit that my father's name is such and such. But I'm not having that impression. Actually, learning what I think, knowledge about a subject, is a process to create an impression about that subject. Process of creating an impression of cause and effect about a certain subject is called education. Well, again say slowly. Process of creating a cause and effect impression about a certain area by listening through a teacher is called education. All education is creating a right impression so that you can solve certain problem. So when you are studying music, you are creating an impression about the music that this will create this rag, this tal. You are management you are studying or commerce you are studying. You are creating an impression about that particular knowledge. Now I am doing CA. CA? CA means what? Chartered accountant. Come again. Because you fail so many times. Or for girls, cry again. If the CA doesn't make you cry, it is not CA. So difficult it is. है ना? Difficult, no? अच्छे रो देते हैं. So what you are doing actually it's not an objective thing. You are trying to create an impression about that subject. If this is there, if this account is there, this has to be dealt like that. This problem has to be dealt like that. If this problem comes, it has to be dealt like that. You are creating a lot of impression about that particular subject. And your impression is less about a subject than you say my subject is weak. When you say my Vedant is weak, supposing you say like that, means impression about the knowledge of the self is not good. And when impression is not good, you cannot write notes, you'll be struggling what to write now. Supposing your impression is not there about Vedant, I say okay, write about that mantra. Which mantra? That mantra. न जायते म्रियते वा विपश्चित. So you started writing न जायते. Swamiji said write in Sanskrit. So what should I do? Let us write one line. If one line taking so long, Swamiji doesn't understand how much time I don't have. We just write in one month taking 1 hour. I have whole time is gone now. Let us know that paper. Let us put a fresh paper, because if I cut there, he will feel I have not removed it. So, na jayate. After you wrote in English, na jayate, Jayate, na jayate. Now what? पहले notes देखो क्या है. So some people directly copy the notes. ना जायते पूरा एकदम से टीपू सुल्तान. So he just copy paste. But if you have lot of impression, then you start thinking, okay, something cannot be born. Because why Atma cannot be born? Atma cannot be born because the mother's egg and father's seed both are inert. And from inert, consciousness cannot come out. Because if consciousness comes out, it should have the property of the cause. And if cause is inert, effect also will be inert. Therefore, not number two. Number two was, if something is born, there should be someone to see that it is born. If somebody is there to see somebody is born, then that one who sees it is born, that should be conscious. Therefore, it is not born. Therefore, it cannot, birth of Atma cannot be proved. This much impression you had gained, supposing you don't see the notes. First you write and then you can see the notes. Something I missed out. Well, then definitely I'll miss it out. I put it very nicely. What I wrote in a rough way in the class, I put it very nicely, nice handwriting. So something else is there. How will you prove that birth is not there of the Atma? Something else is there. Is there some other way I can prove that birth is not there of the Atma? Yes, you can prove through many ways. How is it like that? This is how you have to gain impression about the subject. How is it that you prove that birth of Atma is not there? No, if Atma is born, because there is a rule, anything born will modify. Because birth itself is a modification. If first modification is there, all other modification will follow. So there should be changing Atma. If changing Atma is there, who will see the changing Atma? The changing cannot see the changing, therefore birth is not there. Therefore, yes. More you have impression on the subject, right impression, not wrong impression. Right impression. That impression which is pramanit, which is proved by a proper praman. Not Utpatang impression. I think he's doing black magic. What is the proof? No proof. Or we feel, this feeling is there. Rag Dvesh is also an impression. Attachment is also impression. Ahankar is also impression. Hatred is also impression. But it's all wrong impression, unproven impression. He loves me a lot. Yeah, all false thing. How can he love you so much? Why? He will go away one day, he'll forget you. What is this love is there? Keep quiet. Or he hates me a lot. He has other work also. If he only hates, then he can't work, but he is doing other work also. And who hates whom? Who hates whom? So these are not unproven. So you can have ignorance-based impression also and knowledge-based impression also. When education is a process through which you gain knowledge-based impression so that you can solve a particular problem. I feel you can think over it. Whole education process is to create the praman janit samskar. Praman janit samskar. These samskar or impression based on a proper means of knowledge. This is what education does. And more you have that samskar, more you are able to solve some problem. More thoughts, right thoughts are there on that subject. I hope you are right. Not clear? Clear. Whether it is music, whether it is dance, whether it is violin, whether it is piano. Some people play piano. You have to sit on a chair, and there is a harmonium kind of thing. All are same. And then you play unnecessary songs, or you are a flutist. You can play flute also. All is impression only. Wrong impression is called this person is not okay. If thought is coming, impression has to be there. Those three stages. External thing. Number two was internal thought. Number three, unmanifest thought. Unmanifest impression. Three stages. I had told two. I said I'll take later on. Three. I will use it later on also. Dhyan dena. Please be very careful. If impression is there, it has to be always on something conscious. Impression cannot be on inert. This table doesn't have impression that this Swamiji comes and sit. Why? Because thought is coming. Thought can always come from a conscious thing. Thought cannot come from inert. Table will not think. My glasses don't think that why Swamiji is not putting on lenses. He asked me to put on lenses, but he has not put on lenses. Dhyan dena. From inert thought can't come out. If thought is coming, that is from consciousness. From me only thought is coming. So the three-tier arrangement is there. Unmanifest, thought, manifest, outer world. But background of three is consciousness. Hello. Hey, which consciousness? Which you had told from 18th mantra to 23rd mantra. 22nd mantra. 18 to 22nd mantra consciousness, which you said was 7 things. It was there. It is consciousness. Atma is consciousness. Atma does not have modification. Then Atma is immanent in all. Then Atma is found in the Buddhi. Then Atma does not have doer enjoyer. Then Atma is the one which is difficult to find. Durvigyam. The Atma is all pervading. About that consciousness. Hanji. Oh wow. So same consciousness is there. Yes. So you mean to say my consciousness and that consciousness is same? Yes. And on that consciousness there is impression? Yes. In impression there is a thought? Yes. And after thought comes the outer object? Yes. Oh, I'm understanding. Thank you so much. Wait. What? As this is our idea, cosmic level also, Virat has come from Hiranyagarbha. Hiranyagarbha has come from cosmic impression. Holder of cosmic impression is called Ishwar. Ishwar is a technical word in Vedanta. Don't use Ishwar, one who knows everything. Of course, that is there. But technically, he is defined like that. And the cosmic impression is called Maya also. Because it can create anything. So, holder of cosmic impression is Ishwar. This cosmic impression is called Maya also. Why it is called Maya, we will see it later. If there is a cosmic impression, behind the cosmic impression should be the consciousness or not? Say yes, no. Yes. If that is the consciousness, that means from the consciousness these three-tier arrangement has come out. Right now world is existing in consciousness. And world will dissolve and go back into the consciousness, because anything where it comes from, there only it goes back. If the body has come from 5 element, it will go back into 5 element. The pot has come from mud, it will not go in the gold, it will go back in the mud only. Oh. I'm understanding. I'm understanding very well. So what you want to say, please tell in detail. No, I am trying to say that the world will come from Atma only. World exists in Atma only. When we reference to the world we talk, that Atma is also called Brahman. Brahman. Don't say Brahma. It is Brahma. I corrected in that copy. I removed that one A. It is Brahma. A should not be there. Brahma. Brahma has been written this. How they write Brahma? They know that. Conjunct consonant. Brahma. So come back on the Atma. You understand? One Atma is there. World has come out from that. World is in that, and world goes back into that. How? Again you are asking how? Virat has to come from Hiranyagarbha. Hiranyagarbha has to come from Ishwar and Avyakt or unmanifest. Unmanifest has a behind called consciousness. So from consciousness comes unmanifest. From unmanifest, bolo, Hiranyagarbha. From Hiranyagarbha, Virat. How the pralay will go? How we go to sleep? How we go to sleep? Supposing you are sleepy, so you first outer world has gone, then thought comes. If you are sleepy, so first you stop seeing other things. Then, but thought is remaining. You stop seeing the things. If you are holding on to books, etc., while sleeping, you are reading. Everybody must have experienced. I also experienced that. Because generally I go to sleep with some books, etc. How do I know sleep is coming? So book has fallen now. That means now it is my what happened? This sense organ called hand is withdrawing. It is not the Indri which is holding is with. Or while you are reading again, especially if you are listening to tape recorder, etc., talks, etc. This happens. Half an hour goes away, and you are okay. So when you sleep, there's a process. You forget the outer world. You go to the mind. And later on, mind also goes away, and you go into unmanifest. What are you knowing? Nothing. But that unmanifest, behind the unmanifest is the Chaitanya. So, 4 levels, rather one consciousness, unmanifest, Hiranyagarbha, Virat. When Pralay will happen, opposite, Virat will go to Hiranyagarbha, Hiranyagarbha will go to unmanifest, unmanifest will go to Chaitanya. And therefore, I had made a statement that from the Atma comes the world, stays in the world. Sorry, from the Atma comes the world stays in the self and goes back in the self. I hope you are clear. So much hard work is there. यतो वा इमानि भूतानि जायन्ति येन जातानि जीवन्ति यत् प्रयन्त्यभिसंविशन्ति इति. कौन सा उपनिषद? Which Valli? No. Bhrigu Valli. Brahmanand Valli start with Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma. So now in this principle, here Yamaraj has taken the pralay aspect, in which world goes away. Be very careful how I am building the topic. Here Yamaraj has taken the pralay aspect, world goes in that self. And here Brahman, the world is mentioned by the word Brahmacha Kshatramcha. Brahmacha Kshatramcha. Here Brahma means Brahmanaha, Kshatram means Kshatriya. So whole world is represented by the world as by Brahman and Kshatriya. But why only Brahman and Kshatriya? They are figurative expressions. Why? Because Brahman is the holder of knowledge. Brahman means one who is knowledge oriented mind. So Brahman is always considered as a Brahman Buddhi. Like you have a knowledge oriented mind. Everywhere for him knowledge is the most important aspect. Karma Kand knowledge. And Kshatriya means protecting these Brahmanas. So what is the work of how they protect the world? Brahman protects the world by knowledge, and Kshatriya protects the world by punishing those who are hurting the Brahmanas. Shatatrana, I had told about that. Because, and it is true. If knowledgeable people are not there in any part, then there is nothing in that area. If medical science is good, because some person with a Brahman Buddhi must be there to discover the area. Supposing discoverers were not there, inventors were not there, world will be dark. People were living in the caves. Anything, this clothes, somebody found how to make the clothes from the cotton. Mike, somebody found. This Buddhi, which is a discoverer Buddhi, I'm very broader sense I'm taking. Later on I will tell to more subtler sense of Brahmanas. This Brahman Buddhi is holder of the whole world. Who made internet? If the Buddhi was not there, we would be animals only. It will be like cows only and cats only and dogs only. Cats have 1,000 years back, as the birds were making the nest, similarly they are making the nests in the same manner. Not that in the modern age there is a nest is different of the birds. Birds' nest have become different. It has now Wi-Fi connected. It's not like that. Bird doesn't have Wi-Fi connection in the nest. Neither buffalo has started eating burgers. Buffalo eats the same food as it was eating. But our great-grandfather did not know burgers, etc. They had simple roti. Okay, their clothes are also different. Those people had their dhoti, etc. must be there. Jeans, etc. was not there. So who made this Brahman Buddhi? And Kshatriyas, they are protectors. Police, military. Because they are not there, then crime will increase. So these two are called, they are representing what? World. These are technical shlok, please be very, very careful. Well, I am so tired. No, you cannot be tired. You cannot afford to be tired. I am tired. No. Please read. Yasya brahmacha kshatram cha. Both are rice. Who? Brahmacha kshatram cha ube bhavata odana. Both are rice. Rice. Whose rice? Yasya. Yasya means what? Atmana. These are the rice of the Atma. Bole acha. Yasya brahmacha kshatram cha ubhe bhavata odana. They are the rice. Please make it simple. Means this world is a food of the Atma. That means it goes into it. What I started the whole talk. That world is created from the Atma. It sustains and it goes back into the Atma. Don't get angry. I'm understanding. Okay. Understood? I don't understand why it is not interesting. It is so interesting for me. यस्य आत्मनः यस्य ओदनः उभे ब्रह्म च क्षत्रम च भवतः. It becomes, that means Brahman and Kshatriya, they are representative. When you see somebody, you see what you see. And you're talking to somebody, what you see in that person? Face. You don't see the stomach and thought, how are you? Since long I have not met you. You don't say. So you see the face. So face is the person. So these Brahman are the face. When you see this company, what comes? Who is the CEO here? This country, who is the president? Who is the prime minister? So this Brahman are the face of the society. From that only statements will come out. They are representative. If to honor, you will put the chandan on their forehead. You will see the eyes of the person to recognize how is he. How is he pale or happy? You will see the face and find it out. Not the hand. Well, I am seeing your hand, seeing very hard. Hand doesn't give any indication of sadness. Face will give. Face will give a brilliant person. So, through how the thinking person in the community, how much they are respected, how much they are bright, that will define a community or the country. Today, America is number one. Intellectuals are so much there. Best colleges they have, best professors they have, best scientists they have. Research scholars are there. Lot of money they invest in the laboratory and universities. Their professors are highly paid. And when the country is attacked, first thing they kill the intellectuals of that country. A foreign country attack. So, yasya Brahma and Kshatram. And Kshatri means, Kshatri is protective power. The protective power. In this country, Kshatriya work is weak and therefore so much crime is there. India was attacked so much because Kshatriya power was weak somewhere. Therefore you can attack and do anything. Anybody can come inside, rob and go away. Shatatranat, hey, don't touch, otherwise I will shoot you. Shoot at sight orders. So Kshatriya is there. Big weaponry is there, big atom bombs are there. India has more than 300-400 atom bombs. Pakistan has 20. So many atom bombs. They say if Pakistan throws one atom bomb, India will finish them. There is nothing called Pakistan. So they are investing a lot on the weapons from Israel. Small country, terribly strong country. Small but very strong. If Palestine throws one bomb, they keep on bombarding for at least few days only. Because they suffered a lot in the Second World War. Jews were persecuted. Shatatranat, Kshatris, these two are the power. If these two are there, Vaishya will be also there, business will also progress. If investors are not going, well, your government is unstable, how can we invest here? So these two words represent what? World. I am repeating it. So world is whose food. When you eat food, food dissolves in you. Food goes into unmanifestation. So this world goes unmanifest in the Atma. Oh. Well, why so difficult? No, it's very easy. Yes, second thing. Mrityor yasya upasechanam. Upasechan means side dish. Side dish or pickle. Pickle? Side dish or pickle. Side dish, something through which you use vegetable, etc. Which you mix and eat. Side dish, generally in the English continental food, they have one big plate. Then there is a small plate. Side plate, some side dish, some food, some pickle is there or some vegetable is there, through which you mix and eat. Well, death is the side dish. Don't forget. Of whom? Of Atma. Means what? Means time, here death means time. Time also goes along with the world. That means world and time are non-separable. You cannot have a concept of time without the world. You can't say, when was the world created? Well, why can't I say? I will ask this question. When was the world created? Dekho, you are making a very wrong question. Why? Anything I say is wrong. No. If you say world, because you are thinking there was a time when the world was created, that means world was there without time. Time was there without the world. You are supposing when you say world was created, when comes only in time. That means you are thinking time was there, world was not there. And time is not possible unless two is there. Therefore, unit of time is second, not first. Mrityur yasyopasechanam. Therefore, time you cannot have a concept of. Don't ask this question, when was the world created? Because you are asking a question supposing that there was a time when world was created. And there is not possibility that there was a time when world was created. Problem will be when you suppose there is a time. Time itself is not possible unless two are there. Time event should be there. Then only time can be measured. There is nothing called time. I'll explain it tomorrow. And then lastly he says, Ka itha vedyatra saha. He is saying that who can know such an Atma? That means it is difficult to know. Who can know such an Atma? That means what? That means one who does not have Shat Sampatti, such a subtle Atma, nobody can know. Prakrit buddhir yathoktavan rahita san ittha ittha me yathokta sadhanvan iti. We will see more. Tomorrow it's a little serious mantra. Please reflect on that.